National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Logan County, western McLean County, southeastern Aswell County until noon at 11:26 a.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hartsburg and moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stanford around at 11:40 a.m., Bloomington and Normal around 11:50 a.m., Hudson around 11:55 a.m. Other locations in the warning include Shirley and Bloomington Airport. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 8. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 141 and 169.
Hold on, I got another
This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 121 and 147. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 11 and 13.
This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 11 and 13. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, another one. Another tornado warning? Holy crap.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Grenby County in northeast Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, north central Livingston County in central Illinois until 12:15.